Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY island for the middle of your dressing room. So if you've been following along, then you know that I have been creating my dream closet in this extra bedroom that we have. And I have looked high and low for an island for the center, and either they're just too expensive or they're not what I want. So I have decided to create my own. Y'all, I have been on websites trying to see other people's ideas, blogs, and all this other stuff, and I just have not come across one that works for me. So I designed my own using some things I found on Amazon, and then also the Ikea pack system inserts. So I think it's going to turn out great. So of course I wanted to record the whole thing for you guys in case you love it and you would like an island just like this one. Of course, I'm going to be leaving all of the items that I use in the description box so you can just click on them and purchase them. But today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to put them all together. All right, so the main frame of our project is going to be these two dressers that I found on Amazon. So we're going to be putting these together, and then we're going to be using the pack system inserts for the center. So these dressers are fairly easy. They actually go together similarly to how the pack system is put together. So if you've done that, then you'll be able to do this no problem. Hey everybody, so welcome back. It is the next day. Last night I put those drawers together, but kind of started to run out of daylight. So I decided to just wait and come back on this morning. So let me show you what we are doing now. All right, so here is a look at one of the drawers all put together. You all can see that I have done both. But what I'm doing on the back side now is adding these pieces of wood. So this is what the back side looks like when you put the drawer together. This is like that hardy backer board, so kind of like cardboard, and then you do have these pieces in the middle that are wood. But if we want to be able to customize this whole thing and fit our packs pieces on the inside, we need the whole thing to be more sturdy. So I went to Lowe's and I purchased some smooth, some sanded birch wood, and I just cut it down to size to fit inside the squares. And as you can see, we're just popping them in right now. So we're popping them in each square, and then we're just going to paint them white. How we will be attaching these is we have some Gorilla Glue Loctite that we're going to use on the back side, and then we're also going to screw it from the inside. Of course, I'll show y'all exactly what I mean, but by doing this, and now we have solid wood on the back, we'll be able to add whatever inserts that you like from the pack system. So if you want to pull out drawers, if you want the shelves, all of that, you'll be able to add it, because now you have actual wood to attach it to instead of just the little cardboard backer, which we all know is not the sturdiest. So Antonio is here.
What's up?
And we're going to go ahead and finish putting these in, and then I'll show y'all how we'll attach it, and then of course just paint it. Okay, so it's the Gorilla Glue heavy duty construction adhesive, and it is good for all surfaces. I don't know if it's going to focus so y'all can see all that, but you can use it for wood, glass, mirrors, trim, drywall, basically everything. So the only thing about it like this is it comes in a caulking tube, so you have to use a caulk gun, but they may just sell it in a tube by itself. But we're going to use a caulk gun to glue it, to glue these boards onto the back of the dressers. So this glue says that it attaches how fast?
30 seconds.
So it attaches in 30 seconds. Of course, it fully cures over time, I think about 24 hours. But it'll stick right now because we're going to lift it up and then we're going to screw from the inside. And that'll just give it extra security. And these are the screws that we're using. These are just wood screws. Y'all can see they are 3/4 inch wood screws. And so they're kind of small. You don't need them really long because you don't want them to stick out the back. We just want them to be able to grip just enough of the wood. So these are the ones we use. And we purchased all of these things from Lowe's. For a seamless look, Antonio is going in and just caulking all of the edges just to fill in any gaps, and that's about it. So now we have the ceiling fan going and it's drying pretty fast, so now we should be able to add our inserts here within a few minutes. Alright y'all, so here's another hack. So the shelves for the pack system, y'all know it comes with these, it comes with these pegs. The shelf sits here and then this part goes into the pack system where there's a hole. So we do not have pre-drilled holes. So what we're doing, so we are cutting off that piece, so then it'll just leave the hole just for us to screw in. I'm gonna show y'all. Antonio's about to do one. So first you have to take the screw out, and then you'll be left with just the, that open piece, which basically expands inside the cabinet. But we're just gonna cut that off, just like that. So that peg still goes into the shelf, but then now you just have a spot just for the screw to go straight into the wood that we put up on the dressers. So this is just a little bit easier, so you don't have to worry about fitting that inside of a pre-drill hole. So just cut off the little ends. Alright y'all, we are done. That was a lot, but it wasn't too bad. But I mean, the thing just trying to put on the shelves at the bottom, trying to get up underneath there, was a little tedious, but we got it done. So basically guys, we just got 2 dressers. We put some wood on the back of the dressers so that we could use the pack systems, inserts, however we wanted it. This is what I wanted. So I have a glass shelf here at the top. I have that for a reason, because I'm going to have accessories here. I have a 2 pull-out trays. So I have accessory tray, and then I just have 2 shelves. And I'll be using these shelves for just like folding stuff, maybe big sweaters or jeans or whatever. I didn't do any drawers on the inside because I felt like it was more than enough drawers, because our dressers have 5 on each side. Plus I also have 2 drawers back in the back. So that is it. So I will see y'all next week when thank you Tonyo for your help. So I will see y'all next week when I organize and put everything in here, and then y'all can see how everything looks all filled in. So thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all on the next one. Holla.